Cup semi-final. It is the two players who come into the starting 11 for Orlando Pirates today that were crucial in Tito as well as Dlamini in finding that opening goal. Uma sisiyabheka isihombe sokuqala ngokubona kwenu sihambe kanjani?
Isihombe sokuqala uyabona ukuthi ucoach ukhuluma about competitiveness of Marumo Gallants, but i-competitive ku-analysis, i-competitive ku-starting lineup and all of that. But musungena lapha enkundleni, it becomes different and difficult because the intensity is different, the formation of the team. Mhlampe they're playing for the three centre-backs. Now the coach came with two centre-backs. However, for Orlando Pirates, the game started a bit slow for them, maybe jitters or also fatigue a bit of being able to play all over the show in KEF and things like that. But the intensity for them hasn't been the same one as that of Pirates that we are accustomed to.
Indeed, and Jose Rivero did speak about just that refreshment in terms of his starting 11. He says he still doesn't call it rotation, but Idumile, we look at how Orlando Pirates found the back of the net in the opener and this clash, and it's a very beautiful build-up here.
A very beautiful goal by Dlamini. But if you can see the whole picture, Marumo Gallants is sitting at the back and they are looking to catch Orlando Pirates on the counter-attack like they did in their previous match. That's how they scored their second goal. But now they are inviting trouble because Pirates is good when it comes to the ball. But Balvisujani, look at Tito, how he passed the ball and he connected, they made that deep run and they managed to spot him, and what a beautiful cutback and what a beautiful finish.
And I mean, we take a look at this goal just bit by bit in terms of the build-up, because we saw Udito being very crucial in eventually handing over and giving that beautiful assist for Dlamini to finish off.
Xa uyajonga ekuqaleni Pirates ifune usend numbers uba zingene pie boxing, but iMarumo yasheshe yayibona yayijikisa, but restart again and redefining. Look at the 8 players that are defending of Marumo Gallants. Ixolela ntoni lonto ba into kaSkip uba they are playing deep and denying Pirates time and space behind the defense. They want them to play in front. However, khange bakwazi baba bavimbe okoko, because jonga la 4 sikhighlightele yona, la 4 iya interchange uba xa ndimuva nawe uyamuva, siyabalinka ngoku sijonge sibonisa iangles abazenzayo uba xa mina ndiyecaleni uhotsho uthi mina ndizawususa opponent so that ndikwenzele ispace uzokwazi ungena pha. Jonga again, Unkota could have easily gone into that space, but akayi because into yenziwe from a training ground ba tata when uzawususa umuntu, shifters and movers, uzawususa umuntu nangene kula space. Umasongane could have easily controlled that ball, but uyayazi uba fanele iye kuNkota. Talking about telepathy, understanding where your teammate is in relation to the ball and the mission at hand to score.
And Shabula does put it into the back of the net there. And perhaps we can then speak to something that you both mentioned in the build-up, because it was going to be crucial for Tito to not find himself going into the other spaces of the other players. And how did you see him handling that in the first 45?
He's been refreshing, Skipper. He's been refreshing. No. His late run in there, Uduti Hamunat, when the time is right, he even allows Dlamini to play.
Yeah, no, it's Tito Halimo gaming. The whole squad, he was gaming. So I'm happy he was able to pass and move instead of passing and watching the play, you know. So he passed, he moved, and that interchange that you are talking about, Skipper, it's helping Orlando Pirates because they are able to move players out of their positions. Because how they scored the goal, I think that's how they want to score most of their goals, and that's how they've been scoring their goals, by interchanging, making those late runs, deep runs behind the defense, because they know they can't penetrate behind, they can't clip those balls behind because Marumo is sitting deep. But as a goalkeeper, I think Aruvi should be pushing them higher.
All right, and we'll see whether or not he'll be able to push them higher in the second half as things stand. It is the defending champions that lead by a goal to nil. Starting careful by which careful. We take a look at the substitutions and what can change for both of these teams and what changes can be made, perhaps going into Swamba SSB. Let's go and get
so far so good for Orlando Pirates, and if Mina is a substitution, I will give the players who haven't had minutes this season to a run. Because if Uzofaga then what are you saying to the other guys? He has played so many minutes, so I think the coach can just give Bo Radio Bani, Bo Rondo a run, you know. So that would be great to see them.
Like they had a run last week.
No, but it wasn't 90 minutes.
Mahango, Sithole, Ndlovu, Dino Ndlovu. Sicela ukumbona samgcina phesheya. So sicela Dino Ndlovu, and they could actually make the changes because Mahango is a scorer, Sithole is a midfield maestro, Dino Ndlovu striker, Dion striker. Shonan Kona, all or
Right,
nothing.
Utu coach, they must all just come in. Nasiskotiseka Maminzela, Yiswambe Sesbili, to the Nedbank Cup semi-final. Orlando Pirates, Marume Gallants, we take you through to commentary now. And there he is, Gabatinho Mango.